Folks, how y'all going? Bit of a slow start to the day today. I think it's about 11 o'clock. I'm only having a cup of coffee now. It's a hard life. But yeah, I got here late last night. I just hit the hay, so I'm just kind of taking it easy this morning. I'm in the Comeragh Mountain range. It's kind of a little bit cloudy. I think it's supposed to clear up later. It's not too cold at all. It's pretty mild enough. So there's a lake not so far away. I'm going to take a little wander over to that. Maybe have a swim. See how I feel. But cook some food later. And just chill out in the van, guys. Thanks for coming along with me. Take a little walk over to the lake, maybe go for a swim, see how the mood takes me. I just got a little bit sidetracked on the way back there. There was a fire on one of the further over mountains. I just kind of hung around to have a look. I'm kind of really hungry now, so I'm just going to have these quick noodles before I get some proper food on the go. So guys, my fried potatoes are just about done. I'm going to take them out of the Dutch oven. I'm going to pop them on the lid because that thing is roasting hot and that'll keep them really warm. I'm going to fry off some minced beef and add some taco seasoning to that. So I'm going to basically make a bit of a taco chip or a taco fried potato. Alright guys, so I just put the mince in on the potatoes and I put some cheese in on top of that, and I'm going to stick this back in the Dutch oven and see can I get that cheese melted on top.
Come here, noise.
Morning folks, we got ourselves another beautiful morning here in County Waterford. The sun's out. Time kind of got away with me a little bit yesterday. I didn't expect to be cooking into the dark. I think I spent too much time over at the lake and kind of forgot that the evenings are closing in. But I was really happy with how the taco chip turned out. Yeah, it was really good. I've never put coals like that on top of the Dutch oven before, so I was interested to see how it would work. But I'm going to call it for today. Head back to reality. So thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you all again soon, alright? Thanks very much, guys.